It is a community watch in the city of Monterey Park. Doing the First Amendment audit here at the U.S. Marshals Monterey Park office. If you guys remember, this is one of my first big audits with the guy with the Ezekiel shirt, bald guy on steroids. But it was a mild interaction, so it's been about a year and a half, and no one's done this or done a follow-up, so we decided to do a follow-up. And there's the cameras. Yeah. It's 1938. I don't want to give out their location, but I'll give you the initials to the street. It's Saturn Street, are the initials. And the initials for the cross street is orange.
And the number to the street is 1933.
Monterey Park. You guys can see, I think those are magnolia trees. Right up against the hill. There's neighborhoods up here. Looks like the buildings from Toontown. They are characters, for sure. Yeah, she's visibly shaking. She was bothered. No. Yeah, just taking a video. How are you today?
Huh?
How are you today?
What? You are the photographer?
Just for fun.
Huh?
Just for fun. I like my camera, I like to have fun.
Where are you from? From India?
Huh?
Where are you from?
Mexico? You? Where are you from?
Mexico. Yeah. Oh, you speak Spanish?
Sí, de Guadalajara.
Yo también, América, Jalisco. ¿Conoces?
No, no conozco. Que pase buen día,
Igualmente.
All right, so she went and told them, they sent the maid out to deal with the peasants. All right, so they did good besides sending out the janitor, because she did go tell them, and then they went and found out, and then just didn't want nothing to do with us. So good. Whether they like it or not, as long as they respect this. I mean, there's only so much we can do. We encourage everybody to pick up a camera and come help us. It's the only way we're ever going to win this, guys, is if everybody picks up a camera and joins us.